Good morning. It's one of those really lovely Monday mornings where everybody's expecting some fantastic numbers on the Sensex, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the entire market. Why? Because most of the people think because of the exit polls. Now, even if the exit polls were not there, if you look at the weekend data, for instance, the GDP numbers, which were very good, then you have the infra data, which is also very good, GST data, which was also very good. So all this was there. The macro data for a bullish start today, which came up after the close of Friday trading. Friday trading did not give us any great indication as to how the exit polls will pan out. The exit polls, which came on Saturday, have taken everyone by surprise, and now up ki bar 400 par seems to be reality as far as the exit polls are concerned. The exact polls will come tomorrow, and we really don't know what the numbers are. But unusually, most of the exit polls, almost all the exit polls, talk of 350 plus for the NDA, which was quite interesting because quite a few commentators were thinking it will be below 350. Okay. Now the title is Sensex 1 lakh. Now it may look, let's say, bombastic at this point of time, but this Sensex at 1 lakh was predicted in April of 2009 by Elliott Wave International. There is an interview with Ms. Lata Venkatesh on CNBC where he had said that Sensex will reach 1 lakh in 15 years. And that time the Sensex was 10,000. So it was unbelievable at that time, but we have traversed a long way, and we are now at 74,000. And today it should be maybe 76,000 with an all-time high, and just another one third of it is to reach 1 lakh, and we have at least 7 more months during the year. So it was a spectacular prediction then that Sensex will reach 1 lakh when the Sensex was 10,000. So kudos to that gentleman from Elliott Wave International who gave this interview in April of 2009. So therefore, Asian markets, let's come to Asian markets first. Asian markets are doing very well. What is Japan doing? Japan is up about 360 points. Hang Seng is close to 500 points. And there is generally euphoria all around Asia. US markets did very well, as I mentioned yesterday in my commentary. So today is a time when everybody will jump into buy because there will be nobody asking you to sell. Normally, on such euphoric days, there will be some sellers, but they will extract their price. So should you be buying? How should you be buying? When should you be buying? What should you be buying? What I do in such cases where it is completely an euphoric market is I will buy only if the second hour high is higher than the first hour high. I'll put a stop loss at the first hour lows. The first hour lows will remain as the Lakshman Rekha. In the third hour, for instance, if it breaks the first hour low, then I'll cut my long positions. In the third hour, if it breaks the first hour low, I will cut the long positions. Otherwise, in the second hour, I would have taken a long position based on the first hour high being crossed. So I will really not do anything in the first hour. If people want to be very, keen to do something, maybe one can take a candle of 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes candle, above that, one can buy. First 15 minutes candle, below that, one can sell. But being a conservative trader, I would like to do it on an hourly basis rather than on a 15-minute basis, though a lot of traders do this 15 minutes basis. Now, what should one buy? What I call the Modi stocks yesterday, the Adani Group, Reliance, then Defense, Railways, PSUs, PSC Enterprises, PSU banks, all of these will fit into the category. Now, when should one buy? I have mentioned. What one should buy, I have mentioned. How one should buy also, I have mentioned. So what am I going to do? I am just going to watch and then take a call on whether I should buy at all, and if I have to buy, what to buy. I will still maintain that my whatever portfolio we have of pharma, we are maintaining it as is. FMCG may not do that great today. IT may not do that great. I think the concentration will be on the Modi stocks. So you have got a perfect scenario where you got upki par, 400 par. You got the global markets good, Asian markets good, and the macros good. So, in such a case, there will be no reason for anybody to believe that the market can come down today. But being an old bandicoot, I am having seen these euphoric moves becoming the tops sometimes, because I always believe that markets top out on good news or no news. Markets never top out on bad news. So I'm not saying they will top out today or tomorrow, but I'm only just saying that in an euphoric day, I will always wait for the second hour and then take a call. So whatever you do today, I hope it will be successful, and best of luck onto a great day today. Thank you.